For qualification match number 46, 1596, the instigators slam into their reef, drop a coral, and try to pull an algae off. However, their partners put 2, make that 3 coral, and 4 up on their reef, level 4. Meanwhile, the Red Alliance has 1 level 4 coral, as 51 try to put an algae up in their barge, but fail. Blue Alliance is miles ahead with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Count it, 6 coral. They have that advantage now, 51 to 13, coming out of Autonomous into Teleop. 2 minutes, 5 seconds to go in this match. The Dragons try to deposit another algae up into that barge, but it drops out. 302, that's the Dragons. They have one, they put it up. 1506, Metal Muscle trying to pull an algae off of their reef. They do without knocking off a coral in the process. Meanwhile, on the Red Alliance, 6078, the Robo Rams almost getting caught up on an algae, but they escape and line up trying to put a coral on level 3. They do. Wings of Fire put yet another algae up into that top reef, into that top barge. Blue Alliance still in the lead, 83 to 40, but Red is catching up and closing that gap. A purple coral racing over to that barge zone. We'll see if these Alliance members can pick it up. An algae goes into that blue barge put up by the Dragons, as we see Metal Muscle placing yet another purple coral. They are going for that Fun Robotics Network rainbow bonus here. They just need those red coral to complete it. Meanwhile, over on the Red Alliance, 51 lines up trying to put a red coral up there, going towards that rainbow bonus. Blue Alliance widening the gap now, 122 to 58. Wings of Fire take a little tumble, but they recover with 50 seconds remaining in our match. The Instigators, 1596, grabbing a coral from their human player station, racing over and putting it on their reef, quickly joined by the Dragons, 302, putting a level 3 up as well. On the Red Alliance, 4776, that's the Scott Spots taking a little break just by the blue barge zone. We'll see if they can get back in the game with 30 seconds remaining in our match. 6078 still a little tippy. They have a green coral lining up on their reef. They try to put it down, joined by the Hall of Fame team doing the same with 2 level 4s placed. We see our first climb by the Dragons, 302 lining up, 2 red robots, 2 blue robots going to climb. Instigators still running cycles with 7 seconds left. We have 6078, the first up, joined by their partners, Wings of Fire, a climb by the Dragons, rounding out match number 46. Your scores in just a second. We'll see if that gave the Red Alliance the score they need for the Scott Spots to keep their standing in rank 8, or if they'll fall out of an Alliance captain position. Our field reset crew walks in, the lights are green, go clean up your robots. With a rainbow bonus on blue, we have our scores. It's going to be a win for that Blue Alliance with a score of 174 to Reds, 112. Blue claiming all 6 of those sweet, sweet ranking points.